सर वी लव एंड रेस्पेक्ट हिंदी सर। हमें हिंदी भाषा से बहुत प्यार है सर, पर उससे भी ज़्यादा प्यार हम मातृभाषा से करते हैं सर। ನಾವು ಕನ್ನಡಿಗರು ಸರ್, ನಾವು ಭಾರತೀಯರೇ ಸರ್, as much as anybody who speaks in Hindi, Bengali, Marathi. I think I speak for millions of South Indians when I say that we fear if Hindi is being pushed as the major or sole medium of communication, national policy has to be approached keeping the regional linguistic identities and sentiments in mind, sir. Unity in diversity is the one quality that sets our great country apart in the world. And the biggest evidence of this can be found in my home state of Karnataka, where we've always welcomed, accepted, and respected multiple cultural and linguistic identities, sir. At the same time, we take immense pride in our language, Kannada, which is thousands of years old and also has been recognized as a classical language by the Government of India. Sir, it goes without saying that each region and language have contributed and displayed to the entire world that there are bonds that can exist beyond language and cultural barriers. However, some regional concerns do exist and need to be addressed, sir. One such is the proposed three-language formula, sir. Sir, I think I speak for millions of South Indians when I say that we fear if Hindi is being pushed as the major or sole medium of communication, it might lead to the eventual decline of our regional language, sir. And this is not acceptable, sir. This is not acceptable. Sir, also practically speaking, for instance, when it comes to the public banking sector, various government schemes do not reach the intended poorer section, sir, because of the employees' inability to communicate in the regional language and the common man not being able to articulate his issues in turn has led to a lot of negative sentiments about this, sir. Sir, we love and respect Hindi, sir. हमें हिंदी भाषा से बहुत प्यार है सर, पर उससे भी ज़्यादा प्यार हम मातृभाषा से करते हैं सर. I think any national policy has to be approached keeping the regional linguistic identities and sentiments in mind, sir. And ನಾವು ಕನ್ನಡಿಗರು ಸರ್, ನಾವು ಭಾರತೀಯರೇ ಸರ್, as much as anybody who speaks in Hindi, Bengali, Marathi, Punjabi. And lastly, through you, sir, I urge the Government of India to look into these matters and take it up seriously and ensure that our precious past is preserved intact for a beautiful future. Jai Hind, Jai Karnataka, Jai Kannada. Thank you, sir.